This is a nighttime test of the GoPro Hero 8. There's some cars out, some street lights, but it's 9 o'clock at night on a Saturday. This is what you see. We're going to go into the city a little bit more, find out what the GoPro sees there. Hang on. All right, here we go. This is what it looks like at the gas station with low light turned on. So here we are at an intersection. Got bright lights over that way, no bright lights that way. Cars passing. What do you see? Well, this is what a parking garage at night looks like on the GoPro. Not too bad, I guess. Let's go hit up some back roads and see what the GoPro footage looks like then. So we are decidedly on the back roads, up county, in the dark, and this is the GoPro in low light mode. What do you think, folks?